Thank you so much, ma'am. So we have the Meghalaya Reading Festival.
Directorate of Educational Research.
In the last 7.5 years, the government under the leadership of Congress tried to transform. But many people, they don't talk about achievement of the diesel, whether in transforming the learning process, whether they are transforming the schools or curriculum. They only talk about when the government don't enhance the salary or government don't do this, which is not only the responsibility of the government, it's also the responsibility of the management. So that's why sometimes working behind the limelight, it is very important. You could focus on the core issue which you are embarking to do. As Rapthap has mentioned, that by 2030, that all the teachers should be 4 years integrated graduates. Now, where do our DLED stand? Where do our DIET stand? And how to transform those DIET? You, being in the field, you should know how to do it. Whether this standalone institution, and I think the Madam from NERI, they could give them ideas how we could transform or how we could do this or standalone institution, whether College of Teachers Education in Rongkhon or whether there's BITE in Thalaskane or DIET in Thalaskane or other district.
During my interaction with the staff and officials, I've seen the greater talent is concentrated in DERT. I've seen the very good talent is there, and then most of them are underutilized. So we need to perhaps see that they have, they now SCF, we need to give more importance. I request now we have our Honorable Minister is with us, very experienced in education. He understands the nuances, sensitivities. So I am sure that DERT is going to get more importance and more patronage. With this, perhaps now we can achieve all the objectives. Only when the DERT is empowered, at the school education, the quality of standards in the state will be enhanced. It was a council. Seeing that its importance, it was turned into directorate. Even after turning into directorate, it's actually never got the patronage that it deserves. Because the school education, the diesel, especially the school director of school education, director of higher education, they are the front runners. So they are important in every sense. They are more sensitive politically, appointments and many things. But DERT always stands in the background. So they provide curriculum, they provide teacher training. It's always in the background. They don't directly deal. They don't pay salaries to the teachers. They don't pay salaries to the lecturers. They don't do transfers. So that way it has taken the back. It always stands in the background. That's why the patronage is very, very difficult to, they don't get the equal patronage that is that diesel or DHTE or MBOS gets. So in spite of difficulties, in spite of many issues, I think the 50 years of wonderful work they have done. I must congratulate the DERT, all the officials for this wonderful achievement. And you all know that, as Bharapta was saying that there are a lot of things that we have to do. Many things have happened recently also. I've seen that recently we have started MSQF, Meghalaya School Quality Assessment and Accreditation Framework. I think this is one of the first in the country. We have notified and we have started, and then it's going on very well, the accreditation framework, the assessment test. We are assessing all the schools, all the 15,000 schools, even though we wanted to do in a pilot way. So now we have decided to do. That's a wonderful achievement by the department recently.